Okay, guys. So what I want to do now is I want to make my shape not movable. Because right now, if I grab this side, you can see it's still not locked into place. Some of it is. Most of the lines are, but we've got two lines that are able to change length. So we don't want that. So I'm going to go back into the dimensions. I'm going to select this section, pull it out just a little so I can see the numbers, and then I'm going to go 0.75. Enter. Now that locks it into place. I'm going to turn off dimension, and now it'll move back and forth, but it doesn't change shape. So the next thing I want to do is set up our coincident line. Now, we already know that coincident lines mean those are lines that overlap. So we're going to get it to overlap with this and this part of the line. So watch this. I'm going to grab coincident, select this bottom left corner, and then this center origin spot, and that will move it up there. You'll also notice that it all turned black. That means it's locked securely in place. So now I can finish my sketch by clicking the green check mark. The next thing I want to do is I want to extrude that shape to make it 3D. So I'm going to I'm going to select my object. I'm going to grab my extrude tool. And now remember, you have to turn it just a little bit if you want to use that arrow, because that arrow kind of disappears. And I'm going to drag that out. Now you can also give it a set size. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a set size of 5 just to make things nice and clean. And there we go. So I've got an extruded shape. And now take a second to look around your shape. Okay. And again, you can use some of those click and drag things we talked about if you're working with a mouse. So if you're not, use the little block, but you can see I've made a 3D L-shaped bracket is basically what this looks like so far. Without any screw holes or anything, it's just an L-shaped bracket. All right, so that is it for this video, and we will continue with the next one.